Okay, good afternoon. So in this class, we are going to learn about tangents and normals. Okay, we are going to discuss about tangents and normal. Equation of tangents and equation of normal. So write the heading, tangents and normal. Tangents and normal. What is a tangent? What is meant by a tangent? Tangent means? What is a tangent? 10th standard we are learning one full chapter is there about tangent, isn't it? Yes. What is a tangent? Yes.
We draw a line such that it passes through the...
No, it will not pass. Instead of that, instead of writing passing, you will be using one word. Suppose this is a curve. So if it is like this, means it is passing through this, isn't it? Instead of that, what we say here? A line which touches the curve at one point. That is called tangent. Okay, a line which touches the curve at one point. It is called tangent. It will touch the given curve at only one point. If it is touching at more than one point, means it is not a tangent. Okay, tangent means it touches. Now listen children, suppose this is our curve. So suppose this is the point P. So at this point we can draw a tangent. So tangent means which touches the curve. Now listen, for this tangent we can draw a line which is perpendicular to it. We can draw a line perpendicular to it. That one we call it as normal. Okay, normal means the line which is perpendicular to the tangent. Is it clear? Is it okay? So tangent means a line which touches a given curve at a point. And what about normal? Perpendicular to the tangent. The line which is perpendicular to the tangent we call it as normal. So in this section we are going to learn about how to find the equation of tangents and equation of normal. Before finding the equations, okay, we are going to discuss about, we are going to learn about the slopes. Okay. If two lines are parallel, what can you say about the slopes? Slopes are equal. Before, what is a slope? What is meant by slope? dy by dx in terms of derivatives. But what is slope? It is tangent of the angle of inclination. It is the tangent of the angle of inclination. Okay. It is the tangent of the angle of inclination to the x-axis. That one only we call it as tangent. Tan. Okay. So now listen children. Slope of a curve we denote it as m. It is given by dy by dx. Okay. We can find it in so many ways. First listen children. First of all you listen. We have learned that slope is given by dy by dx. Then it is same as tan theta. If angle is given means it is tan theta. Okay. Then for the same thing, okay, these are the methods we are learning how to find slope. Slope we can calculate in these many ways. From the question you have to read out what is the situation is given. Accordingly you have to select this. So if the function is given means we will select dy by dx. If angle is given means slope is given by tan theta. Then suppose 2 points are given. Suppose 2 points are given means what is the formula we have learned? We have learned this formula last year. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So if 2 points are given, so here you can note it down. Okay, this is for your understanding. If the function is given means we take it as dy by dx. If the angle is given means we take tan theta. If 2 points are given, then we find out the slope using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then
so for what do we use like negative d by?
That is next we are going to learn. Suppose we are given a straight line, general form of a straight line. Okay, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If it is given a straight line, then it is minus b by a. Okay, we use the formula minus b by a or minus a by b. What is the formula? What is the formula, Achyut? Is it minus b by a?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the case when the straight line is given. What is the straight line general form? Ax plus by plus c is 0. Listen, Achyut, 1 second, children, please listen. Is it correct? Slope is minus b by a or minus a by b? What is the slope intercept form? Last year we have learnt y is equal to mx plus c is the slope intercept form. Suppose we are given in general form. Ax plus by plus c is 0. So first try to write in slope intercept form. We can write this ax minus c. So y is minus a by bx minus c by b. So what is the slope? What is the slope, Achyut?
Minus a by b.
Minus a by b minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Don't change it. Okay. If you don't know, you can write in general form and you can find it. You can compare it with the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. All these things we have learned last year. It is minus a by b. So using these many ways we can find out the slope. Okay. The next one. If two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. That is, m1 is equal to m2. This is the second one. If two lines are perpendicular, if two lines are perpendicular, sometimes we use the word orthogonal. Okay, instead of perpendicular, sometimes it will give orthogonal. They cut orthogonally, means perpendicularly. In that case, product of the slope is minus 1. Product of the slopes is minus 1. That is, m1, m2 is minus 1. m1, m2 is minus 1. Product of the slopes is minus 1. Next one, fourth one. Okay, all these things we have learnt last year. Okay. Then what is the slope of x-axis? What about slope of x-axis? Slope of x-axis is given by dy by dx. Its slope of x-axis is always 0. And what about slope of y-axis? Slope of y-axis is not defined. Okay, it is undefined. That means, listen children, listen. Note down, dy by dx is infinity, isn't it? It is infinity. So you can write dx by dy will be 0. Therefore, dx by dy will be 0. These are all important 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions will be asked based on this. Okay, so the next thing, okay, all these things we have learned last year. Now we are going to learn the formula or equation of tangent. Listen children, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x. To the curve y is equal to f of x at the point x1 y1 is. Equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at the point x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. where m is equal to dy by dx at the point x1 y1. This is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is m? It is dy by dx at the point x1 y1. Similarly, second one is equation of normal. Equation of normal to the curve. Equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to f of x at the point x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. What is m? M is again the slope. M is dy by dx at the point x1 y1. So its equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So the equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And what about the equation of the normal? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So now using this, you are going to do the problems. All of you take the textbook. My dear children, all of you turn on your video. All of you, Aryan, Punya, Atul, Muhammad Adim, Krishna Chandran, Naurin. Okay. So Dia, what is the formula to find equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Shivani, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent.
Ma'am, I didn't write because I am not in my home. So I'm outside.
So can you give the formula for slope? What is the formula for the slope? Slope is given by dy by dx. Emmanuel, give the equation of tangent. Can't hear. Say it louder. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Rijas, equation of normal. Check your volume. Check it. Check your device. We can't hear.
Y minus y1 minus 1 by m into x minus x.
Okay. Atul, if two lines are parallel, what can you say about the slope?
Slopes are equal.
Slopes are equal. Achyut, if two lines are perpendicular, what about the slope? If two lines are perpendicular,
-1.
product of the slopes is -1. Okay. Now take the textbook, children. We can start doing the questions from the exercise 6.1. So in 6.1, almost all the questions will be asked for 1 mark question. Because more or less all the questions are similar questions. Okay. Okay. Now look at this question, exercise 6.3. Read the first question. Take one pencil and get it ready. Okay. Don't write, first listen. Michael, read the first one. Read the first question. Exercise 6.3, first one.
Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x at x equals.
Yes, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. How to do this? How will you find the slope of the tangent? That means what you have to do? You have to find Srihari, how will you find the slope then?
dy by dx.
Yes, first you have to find dy by dx. After finding dy by dx, you substitute the value there. Substitute x is equal to 4. Okay, so that first one is homework. Second one we are going to do it now. Read the second question. Punya, read the second question.
The slope.
Yes? Yes, Punya, read the question, Punya.
Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x1 x minus 1 by x minus 2. It's not equal to 2 and at x is equal to 10.
It is given x not equal to 2. Why it is given x is not equal to 2? Why that condition is given?
Denominator.
Yes, very good. When you put x is 0, denominator will become 0. When the denominator becomes 0, value will become infinity. Okay, so to specify, please may I mention that the value is defined, so it is given x is not equal to 2. We want to find slope. Okay, slope means what you have to find here? Dy by dx. Here we have to use the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? U by v the whole dash is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So what is v? So the numerator we can take it as u, denominator as v. So v is here x minus 2 into 1 minus x minus 1 into 1 by x minus 2 the whole square. So we get x minus 2 minus x plus 1 by x minus 2 the whole square. Now plus x minus x will get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1 means we will get minus 1 by x minus 2 the whole square. So this is dy by dx. Now put x is equal to 10. When you put x is 10, what is the slope? Minus 1 by 10 minus 2 the whole square. So which is equivalent to negative 1 by 64. Which is equivalent to negative 1 by 64. Okay? Is it okay, Manuel? Now write the next one. Next one is homework. Third one is homework. We are going to do the fourth one. Krishna Chandran, read the fourth question. Third one is homework. Krishna Chandran, read the fourth
Find
one.
the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 at the point whose x coordinate is 3.
X coordinate is given as 2, isn't it? Is it similar to that question itself? What do you have to do? You have to find dy by dx, and x coordinate is 2 means you put x is equal to 2. Try this and give the answer. solve it and give the answer. Emmanuel, find dy by dx, find the slope and give the answer. Fourth one. Navrin, after calculating, give the slope, Navrin. What is the slope?
Ma'am, 24.
Yes, correct, Navrin. Slope is 24. Emmanuel, what is dy by dx here? Y is given, so it is dy by dx. Yes? Three x square so it is 3x square minus 3, isn't it? Is it correct, Rijas? dy by dx. What is dy by dx then? Fourth one. Fourth one, what is the dy by dx? Which question you did now, Rijas? Third. Now, okay. Now listen, children. Again, once noted. Fifth one is homework. Fifth one is homework. Sixth one we are going to do. Look at the sixth question. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a into x is equal to a into sorry not a into x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta, b cos square theta, y is equal to b cos square theta when theta is equal to pi by 2. X is equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y is equal to b cos square theta and theta is pi by 2. So look at here, children, in which form the function is given? In which form the function is given? Gauri, in which form the function is given? Parametric form, isn't it? It's given in parametric form. X is a function of theta, y is a function of theta. So find out what is dx by d theta. Dx by d theta is, once we differentiate 1, it will become 0 minus a sin theta if you differentiate cos theta. So we get minus a cos theta. Similarly, find out what is dy by d theta. B into, what is derivative of cos square theta? X square, if we differentiate 2x, 2 cos theta into minus sin theta. So we can write this as minus 2b sin theta cos theta. Our aim is to find slope, isn't it? Slope is same as dy by dx, which is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. That is minus 2b sin theta cos theta by minus a cos theta. So here these two values will get cancelled. So we get 2b sin theta by a. This is slope of the tangent, isn't it? This is slope of the tangent. So what is the slope of normal? Dia, what will be the slope of normal? That is equation of normal. Here what is the slope of the normal? Suppose slope of the tangent is 3. Okay, what is the slope of the normal? What is minus 1 by 3? We have to change the sign and take the reciprocal. Okay, slope of a line is m, means slope of its normal is, take the reciprocal and change the sign. So we'll get a minus a by 2b sin theta. Now theta is given. What is the value of theta? Theta is 90. So when we substitute this value, minus 2a by 2b sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So we get a by 2b. This is the slope of the normal. Okay. Now the next one. Look at the next one. 7th one, again note down as homework. Okay. 8th one we are going to do. Yes. Read the question, Rijas. 8th one.
The tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4.
So read the question, children, once again. Look at the, find the point on the curve. We have to find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square at which, what is given here? Tangent is parallel to, it is given, tangent is parallel to the chord joining, parallel to the chord joining 2, 0 and 4, 4. So it is given, tangent is parallel to the chord joining these two. Therefore what we can say, what is given? Tangent is parallel to the chord joining. That means what we can say here? Can we say slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the chord? It is parallel. Therefore what we can say? Slopes are equal. Two lines are parallel. Therefore slopes are equal. So we can say slope of the tangent will be same as slope of the chord. Slope of the tangent will be same as slope of the chord. 2, 0 and what is the point here? 4, 4. Slope of the tangent is equal to top of the chord. So what is slope of the tangent? Slope of the tangent means it is dy by dx, isn't it? Look at the chord. Chord in which form it is given?
x1, y1, x2.
X1, y1, x2, y2. It is given in the point form. If it is given in the point form, slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, isn't it? So from y, find out what is dy by dx. From y, when we find dy by dx, 2 into x minus 2 is y2 minus y1, 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 2. So that is 4 by 2. What is 4 by 2? It is again 2. So 2 into x minus 2 is 2. Therefore, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? 2 into x minus 2 is 2. Therefore, what is the value of x? Diya, what is the value of x, Diya? 3. X is 3. The value of x is 3. If x is 3, find out what is y. Point means we should write what is x, what is y, isn't it? We have to write the values of x and y. So if x is 3, what is y? Y will be equivalent to 3 minus 2 the whole square. So y is equal to 1 square 1. Therefore, what is the point? Therefore, the point is 3, 1. Okay? Is it clear? Is it okay? Is it okay, children? Is it okay? It is given tangent is parallel to the chord. So tangent is parallel to the chord means slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the chord. Slope of the tangent we find out from the given function. So if the function is given, slope is given by dy by dx. If 2 points are given, slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We equate and we find the value of x. After getting x, we substitute in y and we find what is the corresponding value of y. Okay? Now, is it okay, Nandana? Any doubt? Krishna Chandran? Nia? Nia? Right, the next one, 9th one. Find the point on the curve at which tangent is y is equal to x minus 1. Find the point on the curve. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 15. 15 or 5? Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is given. At which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. So equation of the tangent is given. We want to find the point. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 and the tangent is given. So, how will you find out the point? So, here whether we are given with a equation, we are given with a equation of the tangent, isn't it? We are given the equation of the tangent. Can you find out the slope of tangent here? Equation of the tangent is given. So, from that can you find out slope of the tangent?
Yes.
What is the slope of the tangent? If you want, we can write the straight line in general form. We can do this in so many ways. Or you can differentiate it. Dy by dx is 1, isn't it? Okay, either you can write it in the general form and you can write minus a by b, or you can use dy by dx. So slope of the tangent from the equation of the line we get this 1. From the function, what is dy by dx? From the function, what is the slope? Krishna Chandran, what is the slope here, Krishna Chandran?
3x square minus
Yes, 3x square minus 11. So this is also slope of the tangent. From the equation of the tangent we find the slope. Both are same, isn't it? We can equate 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. So we can write 3x square is equal to 12. So x square is 4. Therefore x is plus or minus 2. So we get 2 values for x. So when x is 2, find out what is the corresponding value of y. When x is negative 2, what is the value of y? Okay. Now write the next one, 10th one. So before that give me the values, Achyut. When x is 2, what is y?
And 2 minus 11.
Minus 7. 11, what is the value?
2 minus 11.
2 minus 11. When x is 2, y is 11. Minus 11, is it correct?
2 minus 11.
Final value is 2 minus 11. What is 2 minus 11? Is it correct? Is it Gauri? Is it correct? When x is 2?
Yes, ma'am.
When x is minus 2?
Minus 13.
Check your answer again. What is the answer, Krishna Chandran, when x is minus 2?
19.
19. Check your answer, Achyut. Y is 19. Here you will get positive 22 plus 5. So 27. 27 minus 8. It is 19. Okay. Now look at the next one. Listen to the next one, 10th one. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1. Okay, find the equation of all lines. We want to find the equation of all lines whose slope is minus 1 and tangent to the curve is given by tangent to the curve is given by y is equal to 1 by x minus 1 with x not equal to 1. So we want to find the tangent for this curve. Instead of giving the point x1, y1, here slope is given. We want to find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 1, isn't it? Y is given as 1 by x minus 1. So you find out what is the slope of the tangent. What is slope of the tangent? It is given by dy by dx. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. So this is the slope, minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. So now, but what is given? What is the slope of the tangent? It is given. Slope of the tangent is minus 1. So we can equate. So minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square is minus 1. So we can cancel negative on both sides. So we get 1 by x minus 1 the whole square is 1. That is x minus 1 the whole square is 1. When we take root on both sides, we get x minus 1 is plus or minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus 1 or x is equal to minus 1 plus 1. So we get x is equal to 2 or x is 0. We get two values for x. Okay. After finding x, now take the first case. So when x is 2, what is y? Y will be 2 minus 1. So y will be 1. So x is 2, y is 1. Listen children, the question is find the equation of the tangent. What is the formula for equation of tangent? Equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, what is y1? y1 means that point. So what is the point here? 1 equal to m. M is the slope. What is the slope of the tangent? Minus 1 into x minus x1, x minus 2. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1, y1 is the point and m is the slope. So point here is x1 is 2, y1 is 1 and m is minus 1. So we get y minus 1 is minus x plus 2. So when you bring all the terms to one side, x plus y minus 3 is 0. This is the first equation. Is it okay? Is it clear children? Check your answer. Is it okay? Are you getting this equation? The same way, find the next equation. When x is 0, what is y? When x is 0, what is y? Yep. Answer your attendance children. Please answer your attendance. Okay children. Thank you. Yes Ajit.
What was the last equation?
X plus y plus 1 is 0. Okay? Okay. Thank you.